Hello friends, let's discuss today why English speaking seems very difficult to us. So far I have analyzed there might be three main reasons. The first one is lack of practice, and the second one is not having appropriate environment, and the third one is fear of making mistake. Yes friends, you heard right. Actually, what happened with me when I was a beginner, I used to do my listening practice as well as reading practice, but I did not do speaking practice, and this was the reason. In spite of reading and listening round the clock, I was not able to speak. So, what I want to say, if you are doing your reading activity and listening activity, so simultaneously you have to do your what do you say speaking activity, because you are learning a language, okay? And for learning a language, speaking is very compulsory. If you want to speak, then you need to speak. So speaking, anyhow, you have to do your English speaking practice, okay? Don't worry like you are not getting enough time. It does not matter if you get like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, then it's enough for you. Just keep reading and listening, and simultaneously just do your English speaking practice. So so this is the thing you have to do, okay? While reading and listening, anyhow we have to do your English speaking practice, okay friends? And and you will see miracle, like day by day you are improving your communication skill, your speaking skill. And why I'm sharing you this thing, because I have personally experienced this thing, okay? And and if I talk about not having appropriate environment, then it really plays a very important role. you know we people think like everyone around us speaks in Hindi or the language you speak at your home. So why I will speak in English, okay? We want to talk in English, but we don't speak. Why we see people they are speaking in Hindi, so why I'm going to speak in English? And we don't listen English content around the clock. We just keep listening Hindi content. Everyone around us speaks in Hindi, okay? If you are listening any song, so that song is in Hindi. If you are listening like a news channel, that news channel is in Hindi. So your environment is not only your, if mine, our environment is only Hindi. So how is it possible like we are going to speak English language very soon, okay? So I would recommend you here, like you want to learn English language, you want to speak English language, then it is your duty. Just create your English environment. How you can create? Just create your, if you are fond of reading Hindi newspaper, switch to English newspaper. If you are fond of watching like English Hindi news channels, then switch to English news channel. If you are fond of reading like Hindi and novels, story books, okay? So just switch to English content. So if you create a habit of listening, reading, watching English content, then that would be very, I think, like wonderful for you, very fruitful for you. Because I haven't liked this thing in my initial stage. I did not do all these things, okay? That's why I was not able to speak. To be very honest with you, here I just want to share one thing. I'm graduate with English literature and sociology, and after completing my graduation I was not able to speak in English. Why? Because I had because I read English grammar, okay? And novels, dramas of Shakespeare and all, but I never did English speaking practice. So my like writing skill was awesome, but I was very poor in English speaking. I used to speak one sentence, two sentence, but when I wanted to like talk in English language, when I wanted to like hold a long conversation, I really found difficulties in speaking. I found like, oh my god, I'm not able to hold a long conversation, I'm not able to speak in this language. That's I'm telling you. You have to do your English speaking practice as well, okay? And the third one is like fear of making mistake. I have noticed this thing. Like there are many English learners. Even I, when I was a beginner, I always I had a fear in my mind. Like if I speak English and if I if I make mistake, a grammatical mistake, so people are going to laugh at me. They are going to judge at me. They will comment me, like criticize me, like she is speaking in English but she is making grammatical mistake. So friends, this thing you should not keep in your mind, because just treat English just like a language. You are learning a language. So what if you make some mistakes? Initially you will make mistake, but friends, you know what? Gradually you will see improvement, and finally you will see like you are a fluent speaker, because with the passage of time you will improve yourself. And what I one thing I would like to say you that that the one who makes mistake, they improve their mistake. You think like if you get like perfection and after that you are going to speak in this language, so it is not possible, because if you don't take your first step, so how is possible that you will go to the roof? Okay, so first step is your success point. You have to just take, you have to take your first step. Just take first step and don't worry about making mistake, because you mistake, if you start doing something again and again, so you will repeat the things, and by repetition you will get experience, and experience gives you confidence. Okay, so you have to do the things, just start doing the things. At last I want to say, like these are the three things I mentioned in this video. Avoid all these three things. Like you don't keep this thing in your mind, like fear of making mistake. Okay, and if you have no environment, just create your own environment. It's your duty. And the first what I said, like, oh my god, I am forgetting. Oh, I just remember, yeah, lack of practice. Okay, you have to do your practice regularly. You know very well that consistency is the key to success. Okay, if you are punctual, consist if you're punctual, consistent, so definitely you will get success. और आपने सुना होगा कि सफलता मेहनत करने वालों के कदम चूमती है. Then you have to do your you have to make your conscious effort to learn this language and speak it very confidently. If you really understand the importance of English language, then you have to do your extra effort. Okay, so that's all I just wanted to say in this video. Let's meet in the next video. यदि आपको मेरी जो बातें मैंने बताया अगर अच्छी लगे तो आप वीडियो जरूर लाइक कीजिए. बाय बाय.